Okay. This is really cool, what I'm about to show you now. In our current 2.0 release, of course, since we're fully object-oriented, there's this incredibly elegant way to send messages between two objects, as long as they're in the same program, right? As long as they're in the same program. And this is how our entire system works, this beautiful, elegant way that objects send messages to each other. Someone asked, why wouldn't it be great if we could write truly distributed applications where objects could send messages to other objects even if they weren't in the same program, even if they weren't on the same machine, but rather connected over a network? Some people have thought of this idea and are spending hundreds and hundreds of programmers writing these giant big things to glom on the sides of their systems to try and do this a few years from now. We took a different approach. We said, let's look at what we've already done. And what we've done for release 3.0 is not added any new stuff, not added any new big thick manuals full of syntax for the programmers to learn. We've simply done some phenomenal engineering and removed the restriction that the objects can only be sent to other objects in your own program. The same exact syntax that messages other objects in your program can now go across networks to other programs on other machines. And let me show you that now. It's called object linking. Okay, here's our new employee handbook, except for the org chart. Please object link the current chart in so that it will always be updated. The artwork for the chart is in local library. Great. Now, the two apps I'm going to run are a simple program called Edit and another one called Draw that we ship as an example, both bundled on the next computer. To work with object linking requires the programmers for the current apps to spend about a day or two adding this to their programs. Not a week and not a month, about a day or two. And so I'm going to use two of our programs that we've added this to. Okay. Here is our employee handbook, and I'm going to hide mail for right now. This is our employee handbook, and as you see, it says the company's organization changes faster than the personnel department can publish new employee handbooks. Here at our company, we're always going to have an up-to-date employee handbook, even if our organization changes every 5 minutes. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is, this is on my system. I'm going to go over the network here to local library. And inside local library, there is the org chart that I want, right? What I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, and it's going to pull it from over the network and open it on my machine. Okay, I have two documents, each created by a completely different application, residing on two different machines. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to the org chart, and I'm going to select everything, and I'm going to just copy it like I normally would if I was going to paste it in over here. And I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to select where I want to paste it. Move my edit menu over here. But rather than pasting it in normally, I have this new menu command called links. And I'm going to paste and link. And when I do that, it pastes it in. It looks like normal, except it's linked. And now I'm going to select what I just pasted in. And I'm going to go to the link inspector, because normally links are set to update whenever I save the source document. But to demo this, I want to have it update continually. Okay? And now I'm going to go back to the chart, and I'm going to update it, and we're going to see what happens over on this document here. So I'm going to go get a color panel out, and we're going to pick some colors. Presidents usually like to stand out, so we'll take the president and we'll make him blue. And you notice instantly we've updated.